everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to share a simple and delicious soya chunk rice. This is also a wonderful recipe for lunch boxes, so let's get started and check it out. For the soya rice, first we need to cook the soya chunks. To a pot of water, I'm adding 2 cups of soya chunks. Just adding a little bit of salt. Cook the soya chunks for about 5 minutes. So you can see they've softened up and they've just plumped up. You can see it's all cooked. Turn off the stove. Remove the cooked soya chunks and transfer it to a bowl. You can see they've softened up so beautifully. So next I'm just going to grind a very simple and basic masala. To the mixer jar, add 1 teaspoon of peppercorns, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, about 6 cloves of garlic, a piece of ginger chopped, and I'm also adding a small piece of tamarind. Grind everything together. I've ground the masala to a coarse mixture. It's a bit coarse and dry. Squeeze out all the excess water from the cooked soya chunks. To a nice white kadai, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Once the mustard seeds begin to splutter, I'm adding 1 large onion finely chopped. Saute for about a minute. Next, I'm adding 2 green chilies finely chopped. Along with this, I'm adding the ground masala mixture. Keep the flame on low. Just give that a nice mix. Adding that fresh masala gives that beautiful aroma. After about 2 minutes, I'm going to add all the other spice powders. Starting with 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon garam masala powder. Along with this, I'm also adding a teaspoon of salt. I'm adding 1/4 cup of water just to cook this masala. Cook the masala for about a minute. Now add the cooked soya chunks and mix everything together. Make sure it's all coated well. Just look at that, it looks absolutely gorgeous. Add a few curry leaves and give it a quick mix. Close it for 2 minutes. Just let the soya chunks absorb all the flavors of that masala. After 2 minutes, open the kadai and gently mix the soya chunks. For this recipe, I have cooked 1 250 ml cup of basmati rice. I'm gently going to add the cooked basmati rice to the kadai. Keep the flame on low and gently start mixing the rice along with the soya chunks. After mixing the rice, check for seasoning, and if you do need to add a bit of salt, you can always add it. This wonderful soya chunk rice makes for a perfect lunchbox recipe. So you can see the rice and the soya chunks masala, it's all combined together so beautifully. Turn off the stove, and finally I'm finishing off by adding some freshly chopped coriander leaves. Well, the soya chunk rice looks absolutely fantastic. If this dish made you drool, then comment yum. You can serve the soya rice as is, nice and hot, or with any mild side dish of your choice. This rice makes for a perfect lunchbox recipe. It is super easy and so quick to make. Wow, just look at that soya rice. It looks absolutely gorgeous. Well, I've worked quite an appetite to enjoy this soya chunk rice. But it's time to taste. Oh wow, the soya chunks has absorbed all those beautiful flavors. It's so soft and so moist and so spongy. Incredible flavors. I'm actually very hungry. So I'm just going to go dig into this plate and just enjoy it. I really enjoy the soya chunk rice with a lot of flavors. It's such a simple dish. So do give it a try, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. All my home cooking digital cookbooks are now available on shop.homecookingshow.in. Download and start cooking today. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website.